Starting around 17 September 2023, Ethereum in a real sense is exchanging at $1,631.22 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which especially is genuinely huge. ETH has an in every way that really matters, all-out market cap of $196,112,904,381, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,703,299,497 in a sort of significant manner. This basically makes Ethereum, ETH, sort of positioning it too in the digital money market, in an in every practical sense, significant way. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023. What will Ethereum generally be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in a significant way? Is Ethereum a generally excellent venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023? Which really is genuinely huge. Will ETH cost really outperform its record-breaking essentially high in an exceptionally significant manner? These are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in a by and large significant manner. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost explicitly is supposed to fundamentally cross a kind of normal value level of $2,139.84, the normal really least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to by and large be $2,048.41, which especially is genuinely critical. Additionally, ETH can basically arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme value level of $2,335.71, all things considered. Further appearance how in the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and thinking about what in a real sense is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023. What will Ethereum especially be in every practical sense worth in 2023? Or so they certainly thought. ETH value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum really is determined to, in a real sense, be at around a base worth of $1,737.18, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a for the most part limit of $1,974.90, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Ethereum ETH value expectation September 2023. The cost for Ethereum in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $1,923.70 and $2,070.90, which especially shows that assuming you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023. What will Ethereum in a real sense be exceptionally worth in 2023? Which by and large is genuinely huge, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around $1,996.84, or so they in every practical sense thought. ETH value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum essentially is estimated to for the most part be at around a truly least worth of $1,945.35 in an unpretentious manner. The Ethereum value worth can in every practical sense arrive at an especially limit of $2,150.77, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars. In every way that really matters, further appearance how the Ethereum value worth can basically arrive at a kind of limit of $1,974.90, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars, which for the most part is genuinely huge. ETH value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum fundamentally is determined to sort of be at around a base worth of $2,004.37, which especially is genuinely huge. The Ethereum value worth can sort of arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $2,252.61, with the really normal exchanging worth of $2,077.51 in United States dollars, or so they essentially thought. Ethereum ETH value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Ethereum is truly anticipated to arrive at a very normal cost of $2,139.84, while the coin could exchange between and in every practical sense limit of $2,335.71, and a sort of least of $2,048.41, which truly is very critical. Ethereum certainly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been by and large diminished by 0.25% in its by and large current worth, exhibiting that ETH for the most part has a for the most part complete market cap of $196,112,904,381, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,703,299,497, which sort of is genuinely huge. Assuming we explicitly analyze the by and large current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap truly is additionally down, or so they thought. From truly most recent 7 days, the ETH in a real sense was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.86%, exhibiting how truly is Ethereum a truly wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite enormous manner. Ethereum has shown exceptionally sort areas of strength for of potential recently, and this could be fundamentally great chance to generally dive right in and basically put resources into a kind of enormous way. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH by and large diminished by 13.621%, dispensing with an incredible in every way that really matters, normal amount of $257.23 from its fundamentally current worth, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a kind of good, explicitly purchase a potential open door for sort of fast interest in an essentially enormous manner. The 90 days cost change explicitly is around 3.97%, and the cost explicitly circled from a truly least truly normal cost of $1,539.51 to truly greatest most certainly normal cost of $1,647.19 in the especially beyond 90 days. By and large further appearance, how the Ethereum value worth can, for the most part, arrive at an especially limit of $2,150.77, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars, especially further appearance how the Ethereum value worth can sort of arrive at a very limit of $1,974.90. With the typical exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars, which truly is very critical. In certainly most recent 4 months, Ethereum in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, especially further appearance. How might ETH cost by and large outperform its unsurpassed high, which all things considered is genuinely critical. Consequently, we by and large think that comparative pieces of the market essentially were very famous at that period. As indicated by the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered,